The Portable Solar Energy Generator, or POSEG. POSEG.
Hello. Good day to everyone watching. In this video, we are going to share our innovative product, which is the Portable Solar Energy Generator, or POSEG. Idea Board. Introducing our newly improved POSEG, or the Portable Solar Energy Generator.
Problem.
Have you ever wondered how to have easy access to electricity? Or have you ever noticed how existing power generators are too expensive? What's more, it takes too much space and makes a loud noise when being used.
Solution. Limitations of our product.
This product is limited to and is used more often for people who have less to none access to electricity or people who love camping.
Introducing our product POSEG.